Hello friends, this is part 5 and in this video we are going to discuss the following topics: continuity, its meaning and definition, 4 problems will be taken to explain, and discontinuity and its types. Definition: a function fx is said to be continuous at x is equal to a if limit fx x tends to a is equal to f of a. And obviously this means LHL and RHL of function fx at point x is equal to a is same as f of a. Remarks: a function fx defined in a domain A is said to be continuous if it is continuous at every point of A. If fx gx are continuous, then a times fx plus b times gx is also continuous where a and b are real numbers. Polynomials, for example x plus 2 x square minus 3x plus 1 x power 7 plus 20, etc. and trigonometric functions sin x, cos x and log e base x, e power x, a power x, etc. are continuous everywhere in R. Here are some graphs of continuous functions. Definition: fx at x is equal to a is said to be discontinuous if it is not continuous at x is equal to a. Here are some graphs of discontinuous functions. First one is signum function and second one is greatest integer functions. Let us consider 4 problems. First, fx is equal to x square plus sin x. For any real number, we have limit fx x tends to a is equal to limit x square plus sin x limit x tends to a is equal to a square plus sin a. And also f of a is equal to a square plus sin a, that is limit fx x tends to a is equal to f of a. So fx is continuous in set of real numbers R. Second, fx is equal to e power x plus x. For any real number x is equal to a, we have limit fx x tends to a is equal to limit e power x plus x is equal to a is equal to e power a plus a. And also f of a is equal to e power a plus a, that is limit fx x tends to a is equal to f of a. So fx is continuous in set of real numbers R. Third, the greatest integer function f of x is equal to inside square bracket x defined by f of x is equal to x when x is integer, n when x is not integer, and x is between n plus 1, n being integer. Obviously, for x is equal to n integer, LHL is equal to f of n minus implies LHL is equal to n minus 1 because n minus is between n minus 1 and n, and RHL for this point x is equal to n is equal to f of n plus implies RHL is equal to n because n plus is between n and n plus 1, that is LHL does not equal to RHL. This implies limit does not exist for the integer value of x, hence fx is equal to greatest integer function is discontinuous at every integer point. Fourth, signum function fx is equal to signum x is defined as signum x is equal to mod x upon x is equal to 1 when x is positive, 0 when x is 0, and minus 1 when x is negative. LHL at x is equal to 0 is equal to f of 0 minus is equal to minus 1 because 0 minus is negative quantity. RHL is equal at x is equal to 0 is equal to f of 0 plus is equal to 1 since 0 plus is positive quantity. This implies LHL and RHL are not equal at x is equal to 0 and hence limit does not exist at x is equal to 0, and this means the function is discontinuous at x is equal to 0. The above function is continuous everywhere in R except x is equal to 0. Types of discontinuity. First, ordinary discontinuity or discontinuity of first kind. A function fx is said to have this kind of discontinuity at x is equal to a if LHL and RHL exist at x is equal to a but are not equal. Example, greatest integer function at x is equal to integer. Second, discontinuity of second kind. Fx is said to have this kind of discontinuity if neither LHL nor RHL of fx at x is equal to a exist. For example, fx is equal to sine 1 by x at x is equal to 0. Here LHL and RHL of given function does not exist at x is equal to 0. It oscillates between 1 and minus 1. Third, mixed discontinuity. Fx is said to have this kind of discontinuity at x is equal to a if only one of LHL and RHL of fx at x is equal to a exists. For example, fx is equal to e power 1 by x. Now at x is equal to 0, LHL is equal to f of 0 minus is equal to e power 1 by 0 minus is equal to e power minus infinite is equal to 0, and x is equal to 0. RHL is equal to f of 0 plus is equal to 1 by 0 plus is equal to e power infinite is equal to infinite. That is, LHL exists but RHL does not exist. Hence, the given function has discontinuity of mixed type. Fourth, removable discontinuity. Fx is said to have this kind of discontinuity at x is equal to a if LHL is equal to RHL is equal to limit of fx at x tends to a, but it is that not equal to f of a. We can remove this type of discontinuity by redefining the function by putting f of a is equal to limit f of x. For example, f of x is equal to x when x is not equal to 3 and 0 when x is equal to 3. At x is equal to 3, LHL and R is equal to 3 is equal to limit f of x tends 3. It is not equal to f of 3 since f of 3 is equal to 0. Hence, the given function has removable discontinuity. Let us redefine the function as f of x is equal to x when x is not equal to 3 and 3 when x is equal to 3 implies fx is equal to x, which is obviously continuous. You can see both the functions in graph.